3 students and a policeman were seriously injured in a collision between a bike number TR07F9570 and a bike number TR01AC4546 on Tuesday. This incident occurred in Bishagar Lockdown Bazaar area. Once again, the bike number TR01AC4546 collided with the bike number TR07F9570 in Lockdown Bazaar area adjacent to Bishagar bypass on Tuesday morning. College students Sanai Devnath, Anamika Chaudhary and Kishan Devnath, who were on the other bike, were seriously injured along with the policeman Deepak Marak on the bike. Repeat. College students Sanai Devnath, Anamika Chaudhary and Kishan Devnath, who were on the other bike, were seriously injured along with the policeman Deepak Marak on the bike. Eyewitnesses reported the incident to Bishagar Fire Brigade personnel. The Fire Brigade personnel rescued the injured from the spot and took them to Bishagar Hospital. An employee of the fire department said that 2 bikes collided head-on. 1 policeman and 3 college students were injured by fire service. The locals assumed they might have collided due to overspeeding.
ঘটনা হয়েছে লকডাউন বাজারে বাইকে বাইকে মুখোমুখি আহত হয়েছে 4 জন। এর মধ্যে পুলিশ কর্মী একজন। এর কলেজের বাকি কলেজের স্টুডেন্ট।
তারা কলেজের স্টুডেন্ট আসলো। তাদের অবস্থা কি রকম?
অবস্থা গুরুতর আহত হয়েছে।
কোন জায়গাতে পৌঁছেছেন তাদেরকে?
লকডাউন বাজারে।
না তাদের কেন না মানে কোন
বিশালগড় হসপিটালে।
Reported by Ashish from Bishalgarh, Chini Khorang.